Thing that nobody ever asked, where I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun.
Guys, before I break down this trade today, it's May 28th, right? This picture, screenshot it, right? But this trade I hit today was 60 plus pips. So basically I could have had a $600 day, $1,000 day, 2,000, 6,000, blah blah blah, right? So I want to just mention that you should not be thinking about money amount, but knowing how to catch pips consistently, because pips equals a certain profit amount, and that's depending on your capital. But the main thing you should be focused on is learning the skill of trading. Nothing expectation of money, but really the skill of trading, because with the skill that you're able to catch pips, the moves will naturally be $1,000 days and $500 days, $10 days with the same exact move. So something to think about. But yeah, right to the trade breakdown. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy K Dizzy, and I'm bringing y'all another quick breakdown of today's trade. It was quick and easy. It was, I think, 12 minutes, less than 12 minutes. Well, the whole session of me walking downstairs, sitting down, to me being finished took 12 minutes. So I'm gonna break down today's trade. And it's May 28th, 2025, so y'all know. But look right here, this blue candle before the push down, this is an institutional candle. And this rectangle, as you know, we have only one indicator, and it basically shows the New York Open, right? And so at New York Open, we see price did make an institutional candle, but I was watching it before, and I seen that right here on the 3-minute. Let's get this rectangle, and let's avoid this right here. This is current price, but we caught this move. This is all you need to catch on a daily basis to fund your lifestyle. So I seen on the 3-minute that price was coming up to here, right? And on this candle, as price was selling, I went down to the 2-minute, and I seen this structure right here, and I entered in right on this candle, wrote it down all the way until this rectangle right here, right? And I had this marked as a 3-minute institutional candle, right? I actually didn't have this until later, right? But it hit this candle, and but I closed my profits more like after it traded lower than a low, right? And done, up 11% today. And as you can see, price actually decided to start buying up. So I'm glad I got out, because price actually started respecting this 1-minute institutional candle, right? And as you can see, it's coming up to this, which I think is the 3-minute institutional candle. So I'm gonna delete this. But yeah, it looks like the 3-minute again, and looks like it's doing the same exact thing. So another 60 pip move approaching. So we'll see though, who knows, but I'm done. But yeah, if you want to learn how to be able to catch these moves independently without nobody, go to the link in the bio. I have every resource that you need. Get in contact with me, book a one-on-one call. Make sure you get, oh my god, look at price right here, crazy. Might have to get into a trade right now. Hold on. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, click the link in the bio, tap in, book a call. Free resources, does not matter. You should not be listening to my voice and not having something to do to learn. So the real learners, I'll see you on the other side. But yeah,